Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Ranger headlight bulb. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly. Remove any access covers or screws. Carefully twist and pull the old bulb free, avoiding contact with the glass. Insert the new bulb, secure the assembly, reconnect the battery, and test the beam alignment and brightness. Gather your tools and parts before you begin to make the job smooth and safe. Wear gloves and safety glasses, and set out a socket set, flat screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb. Dielectric grease helps keep connections clean and moisture-free. Keep a towel handy to rest the removed parts on and avoid scratching paint. Having everything organized cuts time and reduces frustration during the swap. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more practical auto tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, timers, and voice control to your garage, making long jobs more enjoyable and hands-free. It's compact, easy to set up, and perfect for background music while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Work methodically through each step to avoid mistakes and broken clips. Remove the access cover or wheel well liner for reach, then twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull the bulb out gently. Check for corrosion or damaged wiring in the socket before installing the new bulb. Fit the new bulb without touching the glass. Lock the socket, replace any covers, reconnect the battery, and test the headlight for proper operation and alignment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.